Guys, welcome once again. This is Kelly from Bond Machines, and today I'll be reviewing the Singer Model 237 sewing machine. Okay, firstly, I want to thank all my subscribers, those that buy these machines also from me, and those that watch my videos. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate. Quickly, I'll look at the features of this machine, also do some couple of stitches with it, and also show you how to wind your bobbin and how to work effectively with your sewing machine. All right, for the purpose of this project, I'll be using the treadle. Okay, this is a treadle stand. All right, so I'll be quickly using that for the project. It actually has electric motor at the back, which is that there, but I'll be using the treadle for this tutorial. All right, quickly the features: has a thread stand, which you can see right here. This is the bobbin winder. Over here you have your where you just push it to this point, you get the actually get to wind the bobbin with this. All right, right here you have your needle position, which is the middle point, left and the right. Just pray you see that. All right, let me just focus that. All right, so you see that middle, left and right. That's for needle positioning in case you want to do your buttonhole. Right here you have the selector for the straight stitch and the zigzag. Okay, so right here is the straight stitch. So once you move beyond here, you're actually sewing the zigzag design. Over here, your stitch length regulator. Go beyond that, you're actually reversing, and you can actually select the stitch length you want to use. All right. It uses the regular bobbin and shuttle, okay, which is something like this. See that? And you thread from left to right. This is a side threading mechanism, so you set thread from left to right. You can see that. That's the shuttle chamber. You thread from left to right. So quickly, I'll show you how to wind your bobbin, and also, of course, this is the tension, and there's the regulator for the footer pressure. So I'll show you how to wind your bobbin, and also how to do some couple of stitches with your machine. Okay guys, in winding your bobbin from the thread stand, all right, you just pass it through here. There's a small spring mechanism here, so I just like to pass it through like this. Then you do some couple of wands on the bobbin, get that, and put that on the bobbin winder. Okay, keyed already. Then you push that towards the wheel. So when you sew through now, just holding that so it won't jump off. All right, so once you've gotten the one on the quantity you want on the wounded thread, all you just do is just to push that back and take it out. All right, so quickly I'll show you how to thread the machine in a moment. From the thread stand, you just pass it through here, and you make sure you raise the footer up. It goes inside the tension. This is tension. All right, let me just get another thread. Use that for the project. All right, so like I said, from the thread stand, you pass it through the through this point, pass it through the tension. This is the tension plate. Make sure it goes inside the tension plates. All right, then you pass it through this point here, then through this place here, then through here, then you thread the needle from left to right, like I said earlier on. Okay, so I'll quickly show you through the process. It's very easy. From the thread stand down to this point here, all the way inside the tension. Make sure it enters the tension very well. All the way up here, then you go down from here, the side, and you thread from left to right. Okay, so I'll quickly sew through now. Let me thread the needle and also sew with the machine. All right. Okay, guys, I already threaded the needle. So to sew the regular straight stitch, this has to be on this point here. This indicator is for this lever here indicates straight stitch. Okay, so that is that for that. And this one here is the stitch length regulator, like I said earlier on. So I'm leaving it on the max point, and this one on the 0 or the straight stitch. All right. So when I sew through now, all right. So that's the front of the fabric. You can see that, and that's the back of the fabric. Okay, I just hope you can see that. All right, see the stitches, very neat and perfect. Then you can also reduce the stitch length a bit. Okay, so you can get a much more tighter stitch. So when you sew through now, all right, so guys, there you have it. That's a much reduced stitch length. You see the back of the stitch, and that's the front. All right, so quickly I will just show you how the zigzag point. You just turn this lever all the way to this way. I'm using the maximum zigzag. Okay, so I'll just leave it at, let's leave it at 2 for now. All right, so there you have it. That's the back of the zigzag, and that's the front of the zigzag. So you can also make the zigzag a little bit tinier. So what you just do is just reduce the stitch length quite a bit and make it faster. Okay, so you can make that a little bit faster and you can get a much more tightened zigzag. Okay, I think I'll stop here for now. Okay, so guys, see that? That's a much more tighter zigzag. You can also reduce the stitch length of the zigzag if you so desire. So in case you're using a buttonhole, so I'll just reduce this to number 3, and I'll just sew through. So basically, when you're sewing your buttonhole, that's where you also have to reduce the length of the zigzag. See that? Much more reduced length size of zigzag. All right, so see that? That's a reduced zigzag length. Now, if you want to take it back to the regular straight stitch, all you just have to do is to take this right to there and actually want to use the highest stitch length here. Okay, so when I sew through, reverse, sew through, reverse, actually reversing, and sew through. All right. So there you have it, guys. And like I said, this is your needle position. So when you move this on the left, the needle goes left and goes right and all that. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Like I said, this is the Zigzag model 237 sewing machine. I really appreciate everyone. Thank you so much and God bless you.